An update on that giant sinkhole in Lancaster County. Crews are still on the scene making repairs. This as a disaster emergency has been declared there, but the good news, the boil water advisory there has just been lifted. The sinkhole is in West Earl Township, and even though people in that area are somewhat used to sinkholes, the township manager says this is the largest most people there have ever seen. The situation started as a water main break on Route 772 on Monday night. Within days, things got worse as what appeared to be a small hole just kept getting bigger. At this point, it's more than 60 feet wide. Route 772 will be closed for several days as crews work to fix this problem. That stretch of roadway is heavily traveled and is used by many drivers with oversized loads and tractor trailers. The township right now says it hopes to have this work completed by next Friday.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.